Reframing is about having the joy, the passion, the interest of working through others rather than working yourself. And in the United States, we have a very common experience of being in middle school and grade school sports and high school sports. Most sports coaches, let's pick soccer, for example, football, and, most of them are parents who used to do the sport themselves. And it's such a great example because, at 35, you don't have maybe the same agility as you did as a 10-year-old, but you can still teach fundamentals. You can still encourage growth. You can still encourage teamwork. And I think that's what we need to think about as a manager. Not only would it be illegal for the game if the 35-year-old mom stepped into the 10-year-old's game, but the 10-year-olds aren't learning and they're not winning for themselves. Yeah. And so maybe that's a helpful analogy to think about. Well, if I was coaching my kids' soccer team, would I play the game for them? Absolutely not. I'd encourage them. I'd teach them skills. I'd develop their basic tactics with them. And then I'd step on the side and I watch and I'd encourage them.